Yeah, guys, obviously this is primer, but it's just really good to see it in this stage. Ignore the dusty floor, obviously we usually wet the floor, and this is a home-built booth I built years ago. Does the job, but yeah, this is looking so good. There's a lot of hours that have gone into every bit of these panels to sand it, to make it into one, and obviously the bonding you've seen in previous videos. Yeah, it's good, guys. I've just got a lot more blocking to do. I just want to make it even better as we can. Like I said, it looks edgy, but it's not. It's just the light. This is probably about 4 coats of primer on the quarter panels now, but we had spray filler as well. And this is just taking a while to get to this stage because obviously I just wanted to be happy with everything. So now we've got a lot of blocking to do in here. That's all the original spot welds, and then we've obviously put rib nuts in as well. Because you can see, man, we've took all the sealer off as well for all the spot welds. Man, it's looking good. I'm so happy because obviously this is the stage now where we can leave it and then we can get it sanded and we can get some colour on it as well. Smile to the camera, bro. Oh, how you doing, guys? Yeah, so I just thought I'd give you an update, a garage update of what's going on, because I'm obviously doing a couple of other videos now as well. And yeah, basically we're going to get some good clips of this. It's going to be mainly B-roll, I reckon, in this video, because obviously there's been a lot of stages I've had to do just to get to this stage. Yeah, obviously there's been a lot of shaping, sanding, priming, which you'll see in this video. And obviously where I wasn't happy with things, you've got to re-prime it again. Obviously block it, prime it, and then so on. But yeah, anyway, I thought I'd just update you about me and Corey as well. Corey's no longer with us. I came back one day and the Skyline was gone and he just drove off into the sunset. No, I'm only playing. He's got a new job now. He's been offered he's got a good opportunity in a big place. And obviously being a little garage, you can't really compete with it. I'm really happy for him. And I think it's a good opportunity for him. So he's gonna be doing good things now. His car's almost done. Obviously he's been building it here on the evenings and weekends and he should have it running at some point. So obviously I still keep in contact with him and we'll probably catch up now and then when he's free. But yeah, he's doing good, so that's all good. But yeah, I'm gonna reveal the color of this car as well in this video. But yeah, it's gonna be a nice color. It just makes it look quite elegant. It's not gonna be too much in your face and you'll see at the end of the video, if I reveal it, that is. But yeah, once the shell's done, I'm gonna get the shell ready, get the doors on it, the other panels as well, and then it's going to Power Z, Jimmer at Power Z. So we're gonna take it to him. I'm gonna speak to Jimmer as well to see if he can talk in depth a little bit about the engine and the specifications and let you guys know what's going on with it, because it's going to be a big power car, fully forged. And yeah, just be good to show you what he does as well, because that's all he specializes in, is 300Zx's. He is the best. He is very fussy at what he does. We've had cars come back from him, and I just think, how does he do it? Like, it's just so clean, and obviously, I've never seen anything scratched. He's put it all back together, and he's been so careful with it. So he is really OCD, and he stresses with him. You've got a problem with a 300Zx, you go to Jimmer. But yeah, guys, if there's anything you want to ask in the comments or anything, just ask down below. I've had my place now for 8 years. I started off as an employee for someone, and obviously I've done a lot of insurance work with customers and like custom work. I didn't ever think I'd be an owner. Well, I did know I'll have a garage one day, but I didn't think I'd be like a boss or anything like that. But so it's been very hard. having employees and stuff like that and getting used to it. So yeah, if there's any questions, if anything you want to ask, just ask down below in the comments. But I said, I'm trying to grow the brand now. And then I said, I got my nephew, Danny Boy. You'll see him in the videos. He's helping with the edits. I haven't got time to be doing everything, so I'm trying to get him involved as well. So he's enjoying it. He's gonna help us do some like designs and stuff. So that's gonna be cool to get him involved. But yeah, this place here, this garage, this was like, it's my dream to have a garage. I said, I've had the best times of my life in this garage. I said, seeing my first respray, I sat against the wall and I was like, wow, I'd done that myself. I was like, that's such a sick feeling. And then I've had, not being dramatic, but I've had to, been so low in here, I've wanted to sort of top myself from the beam because it's overwhelming. All the stresses and stuff, all the bills. It's like I started earning more money, but then you got more and more bills and it was just overwhelming. But then I thought it's the most selfish thing you could ever do. And now I think about that sort of thing about it now. So I don't let any like negative stuff come into my brain. I just sort of get on with it, get up, get on with it and man up. So yeah, if you ever need to talk anything about business and starting a body shop and stuff like that now, because I know how to do all of it. I do the body work, I do the paint work, and I do the mechanical. So if you ever need any tips, tricks or anything, just ask down. I can make videos about it. I've made a lot of mistakes. That's the best thing about someone that's good at something. They've made a lot of mistakes. So if someone tells you I haven't made mistakes, I don't believe them. But yeah, guys, with this project, I won't go on and bore you with all the other stuff, but yeah, with this project, it's obviously, there might be a bit of a break in between the next stage, because once I get the shell done, I'll get a video and picture of it together, but you'll see the car complete in satin black anyway in the primer. So that'll just give you a bit of an idea of what it's going to look like. And then it's going to be exciting to see it all in the color and then with like the little accents. I'll tell you this bit, I'm going to do like gunmetal grey accents or what you call like all the trims and stuff, or gloss black. I'll speak to the customer first and we'll see what he wants to do. Gunmetal grey is always a good option because like everyone does gloss black and it gets scratchy and stuff like that. So, but yeah, go to Jimmer, he can do what he's got to do, and then I can paint the rest of the panels, polish them, and then when it comes back, it's just going to be an interesting video. It's going to be exciting because you get to see all the bits come on like a jigsaw puzzle or a Lego kit or whatever you call it. But yeah, I get excited about it all the time, man. Once it's all painted, you get to like put it all together, clean all the trims up, everything, and it's going to be pretty sick. So, but yeah, guys, we're not sponsored by anyone. We've only got 600 followers, but I just thought I'd mention to you guys about who's helping us out with the products and everything. And the Car Paint Warehouse, we'll put the link in the bio and we'll put the Instagram on the screen. And my friend Josh at Car Paint's helping us mainly, so that's cool. I'll put his Instagram as well because he does a lot of sim drifting. Give him a follow, guys. He's practicing drifting now. He's just got E46. But yeah, guys, the main thing, like I said, with this channel, the reason I started it is because I want to help others that struggled and obviously show them that they can start businesses or go after their dreams just by working hard. Just work after hours, do what you can, and you will make it. Obviously, I've had a lot of opportunities to go back to other jobs that earn a lot of money, but I'm focusing on this. This is what I want to do. And it makes me happy. I'm here every day. It doesn't feel like work, and I get to make customers happy. I get paid from it. And yeah, I can build cool projects on the channel and for customers. So it's pretty sick. We said, just remember to work, build, and inspire. And it said, if you keep pushing, you can do it. Just chase your dreams. If you want to be a carpenter, a builder, an artist, a panel beater, painter, you can do it. Or a mechanic, or anything else. Just, you've got to do it. You've got to do a bit after hours. You've got to do stuff on the weekends. You've got to sacrifice a lot of times. So yeah, you can do it. Just keep going, man. Okay guys, here's the colour. Let's have a little look. Jeez! Doesn't look good there, but have a look. Dang! Yeah, such a sick colour. You can't really see the pearl, but obviously, well you can, I can see it, but I'm not sure how well it's going to show up on the camera, but yeah, it's a sick colour. In the sun it's going to pop. Can't wait to see it on the car, show all the shapes off, so yeah, it's going to be pretty sick. All right guys, yes, I've just got 2 coats of base coat on. I'm just gonna go over now, just check if there's any bits in the green to check it off, and I'm gonna put my 3rd coat down. I wanna finish that, make sure it's dry, put my drop coat down, and then it's ready for the clear coat, or the lacquer we say in the UK. Yeah guys, this spray booth needs another lick of paint in here, but yeah, I built this booth for my friend Joe about 7 years ago. He said I didn't have a lot of money, built this thing so I can fit like long vans in here, but I didn't do vans anymore, so I'm making do with this, and then eventually I'll upgrade, but I just want to say it's been fine for what I needed it. Check this out guys, this is sick man, it's come out so good. I can say there's actually no runs in the actual bulkhead or anything. I managed to get a nice consistent finish over the whole lot. I had a couple of little silicons in this area here and the strut tops. This is the only area you'll see. So what I'm going to do is going to give these a little nib and this section here to give it a polish, and the front panel. Considering it's the engine bay, there's a lot of areas you can get a lot of dirt and little bits happening. I blew it off pretty good. And I said there's only a couple of nibs on the top of the strut tops. I'm going to polish these areas anyway, just a little bit. And then the zinc coat, the zinc plating on all the bits is just going to complement the green. Oh, mate, oh, so good. I'm so happy, man, just to see the colour on the car. Woo! All right, guys, yeah, it's good to finally see it in colour, man. It's been a lot of hours. I think most of it was masking it up. You're going to have to wait till the next video to see the whole shell in the paint. I just need to spend a lot more time blocking the rear end. I need to just be happy that I need to like quadruple check it, not triple check it, quadruple check it. I just want to make sure all the gaps and edges are good, so that's good. Guys, if you could like, comment and subscribe, that'd be awesome, man. I said it's just helping. We're trying to build the channel up. I'm trying to do more and more videos between my day job, so that'd be cool. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one, guys.